And he told me that from 2004, the Navy has stopped people going to Anjadip. So now, for next year, which is 2nd of February, I want to be after them. Maybe I will meet the other senior defense minister also to see that you can keep a boat, check the people, and few people, they can take them there for the feast, say their prayers because the church is there or the chapel is there. So you can frisk them, take them and bring them back. This is their religious feeling. And this was brought to my notice by the Catholic Association of Goa.
झेडपी वेंचणुकांनी खंय आरक्षण 50% वयर पावला. गजाल दुर्दैवी.
Very unfortunate that out of 50 vacancies, they have reserved 30. That means 60% of the seats are reserved. Very unfortunate. Reservation has to be there, but it should have never crossed 50%. And the second, a very wrong thing they have done is arbitrarily some of the seats have been reserved for the 4th consecutive time. This only shows that they have not applied their mind properly.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.